moving towards our last story. And guess who is the freshest Ghanaian citizen? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about IShowSpeed. Now, after IShowSpeed came to Ghana, had an amazing time, had a great time. His name being given to him, Berima Ekufo, he decided to update professionally and officially on his Google and Wikipedia. Yes, so when you Google IShowSpeed, you're going to see that when it comes to the nationality, you will see American and Ghanaian. Big W for Ghana. I know a lot of people were saying that they don't know why he was granted the passport, they don't know why he was granted citizenship. But when IShowSpeed came to Ghana, he said that part of his mom's family, they are Ghanaians, and so yes, it was right that they did just that. But definitely is also going to promote the name of Ghana very high. Well, my name is Daphne Flashley, and this is what we have for you today on MX BREAKZ right here on MX24 TV. As I said earlier, you can go on our social media pages or watch on our website. But if you have anything to say, any additions, subtractions, please let us know. Let us know your comment in there. I'll come your way same time tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Signing out. Bye-bye.